Oh, I think we'll do a coat. I'm not sure if I needed a coat of paint, but I think we'll do one. Oh, boy, apparently I had dark paint on my gloves. I did just gesso canvases, so I guess that shouldn't surprise anybody too much. Not here. We'll go ahead. I might use one of these for my... I'm going to swipe today? I may not swipe today. No, let's use it anyway. I think it cleans off pretty good. Pretty easy. Schmutz in there. Get that schmutz out of there. Oh, hopefully I got it. Hard to tell. But I'll tell you, it's kind of hot when I stand up. Really hot today. Shouldn't be out here, but you guys know how I am. The heart wants what it wants, pouring wants. And it says, I don't care if it's hot. You must go pour. It's not too much white. I didn't think so. White over the canvas with care. Alright, let me get rid of air bubbles kind of this cut. I've lost track of how many experiments we're on, so we'll just keep plugging away, shall we? Let's see here. Let's put some of this one. Let's do something down here. That's what we're going to do. A little over here. I saw that turquoise. Oh! Is that or this? What is this? Just mixed up all new paint. It's out here for hours this morning. Mixing up paint. I prepped canvases as usual. Probably gonna buy some more canvases soon. Is that the truth? They said they're doing another sale, so I'll have a look-see at that. This red comes out really well on this, as I recall. It's going to keep going in this sort of patterny thing. Do some extra blobs of red. That red really seems to do it for me. Okay. I'm going to come back and I'll add a little of this. This always does interesting stuff. I don't know what there is about this, but it does interesting things. Okay. Now, I want this to lay on top, not soak in. Stop that soaking in immediately. I wanted this to sort of lay there on top of this. Very important. Well, you know, you can always swipe it if it doesn't. Let's try and get a... Let me try and just put it on here very gently. Let's see, we can always swipe this if it doesn't do what I want it to do. That's just not enough. Should be plenty of paint in general. Okay, here we go. We're doing it. We're going to do it. hesitant to do what I was going to do with this. I was going to flick silicone on it. But honest to God, it's so pretty. And we don't have as much. I wanted a layer of gold to be all the way across there. Instead, it's more just in the center. So I don't know how much cells would come out in the rest of it. Oh, what to do, huh? This part isn't quite as pretty. Maybe add some more gold there and do a quick little extra thing with the dryer. Let's try that. This part here we kind of lost it a bit. I think I lifted it up and it kind of started to tilt. I think I personally finally got enough paint on the canvas. You know, I never put enough paint on. I think this time I might have done. There's a line there that just isn't blowing out. But that might work. Okay. I'm sure that worked entirely how I wanted it to. Let's do it one more time. How pretty is that, huh? How pretty is that? No, it's so pretty. I think I will indeed just leave this.